We understand that procurement is a complex and ever-changing field, and we are here to help you navigate it with ease. Let's learn about some basics on procurement. Procurement is the process of acquiring goods and services for a business. It involves everything from identifying the need for a product or service to finding a supplier, negotiating a contract, and receiving and paying for the goods or services. You're running a lemonade stand. You need lemons, sugar, and cups to make that sweet lemonade. Where do you get these things from? That's right, you're procuring them. Procurement is basically the process of getting the stuff you need to run your business. So, in plain words, procurement is like shopping for your business. It's not just about buying random things, but getting the right things at the right time and at the right price. Whether it's the lemons for your lemonade stand or the pens and papers for your office, it's all about getting what you need to keep your business running smoothly. Why is procurement important? Procurement is important because it can help businesses to save money, improve efficiency, and reduce risk. By effectively managing their procurement process, businesses can get the best possible value for their money and ensure that they have the goods and services they need to operate smoothly. Imagine if you didn't have lemons for your lemonade stand. No lemonade, right? Procurement ensures you have what you need when you need it. It's like having a plan to make sure you don't run out of things and your business keeps going smoothly. Plus, it helps you save money by getting the best deals for what you need. So there you have it, folks. Procurement is just like your everyday shopping, but for your business. It's about getting the right things at the right time, so your business can keep ticking. Procurement is a complex process, but it is essential for businesses of all sizes. By effectively managing their procurement process, businesses can save money, improve efficiency, and reduce risk. Now, let's look into the types of procurement. There are two main types of procurement: direct procurement and indirect procurement. But procurement can also be broadly categorized into various types, each with its own specific characteristics and objectives, such as centralized procurement, decentralized procurement, outsourced procurement, E-Procurement, strategic procurement, and tactical procurement. Direct procurement is the process of purchasing goods and services that are directly used in the production of a company's final product. Consider a car manufacturer. Direct procurement for them involves securing the engines, tires, and electronics necessary to assemble their vehicles. These components are the lifeblood of their production process. In essence, direct procurement is the backbone of seamless manufacturing. Next is indirect procurement. Indirect procurement is the process of acquiring goods and services that are not directly involved in the production of the final product, but are necessary for the overall operation of a business. For example, imagine you run a bookstore. Indirect procurement for you would involve purchasing things like shelves, cash registers, and cleaning supplies. While these items are not directly sold to customers, they are crucial for maintaining a well-organized and clean bookstore environment, enabling your business to operate smoothly. So, indirect procurement is like buying the behind-the-scenes necessities that keep your business up and running. Next is centralized procurement. Centralized procurement refers to a purchasing approach where an organization consolidates all its buying activities to leverage volume and maximize cost savings. Centralized procurement is like when a company gathers all its buying power in one place to get the best deals for everything it needs. Imagine a large retail chain with multiple branches. Centralized procurement for them means that all the branches purchase their inventory, such as products for resale and store equipment, through a single central purchasing department. This way, the company can negotiate better prices and ensure consistency in the products offered across all their stores. Centralized procurement streamlines purchasing for efficiency and cost savings across the organization. Decentralized procurement. Decentralized procurement refers to a purchasing approach where different departments or units within an organization independently manage their buying activities based on their specific needs and requirements. Consider a large university with multiple departments. Decentralized procurement for them means that each department, such as the science department and the humanities department, independently manages their procurement of laboratory equipment and books, respectively, based on their specific academic needs. In essence, decentralized procurement provides departments with flexibility but may lead to inconsistencies in purchasing practices across different units within the organization. Tactical procurement. Tactical procurement involves the day-to-day purchasing activities that support the ongoing operations of a business. Tactical procurement is like the everyday shopping businesses do to keep things running smoothly. Think of a restaurant regularly ordering fresh ingredients, utensils, and cleaning supplies to maintain its daily operations. This continual procurement of necessary items is what makes the restaurant able to serve its customers consistently. In essence, tactical procurement handles the daily purchasing tasks necessary to keep a business functioning smoothly and efficiently. Outsourced procurement. Outsourced procurement is when a company engages third-party procurement specialists or agencies to manage some or all of the procurement process. Outsourced procurement is like hiring someone else to do your shopping for you. Imagine a small tech startup that hires a procurement agency to handle the sourcing of computer hardware and software for their office. The agency takes care of finding the best deals and managing the relationships with various suppliers on behalf of the company. In summary, outsourced procurement enables businesses to benefit from specialized procurement expertise and resources, allowing them to focus on their core operations while ensuring efficient and effective procurement processes. E-Procurement. E-Procurement refers to the use of electronic platforms and technologies to streamline and automate the procurement process. E-Procurement is like using online tools to make buying stuff for your business easier and faster. Think of a construction company using an online platform to order building materials, track deliveries, and manage invoices. The digital system streamlines the procurement process, making it more organized and accessible. Next one is strategic procurement. Strategic procurement focuses on establishing long-term relationships with key suppliers to ensure a stable and reliable supply chain. Strategic procurement is like making long-term plans with your favorite suppliers to always have what you need. Consider a manufacturing company that collaborates closely with a specific raw material supplier. By entering into long-term contracts and ensuring reliable deliveries, the company can maintain a steady production process without worrying about material shortages. In summary, strategic procurement focuses on fostering strong supplier relationships to ensure a stable and dependable supply chain, ultimately contributing to the overall efficiency and reliability of the business operations.